I was able to attend more sessions this year, and the vast variety of the topics that are covered at this forum, I don't think you can get anywhere else. Cybersecurity, energy transition, oil and gas, digital transformation, it's all encapsulated in here. So really, if you're interested in any subject within industrial manufacturing, I'm sure we have a session about it. We have sponsors that'll talk to you about their products in said market, etc. So it's really remarkable to see how everything comes together. And obviously, I was a little bit more involved on the planning side this year. So it's a remarkable event that we host every year, and I can't wait to get out here in 2024. That's for sure.
So not only is it a great event, but as a young professional, you get access to this growing young professionals, advancing professionals initiative here at ARC.